Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man with the talk am as e be, say the Edo State Governor, Godwin Obaseki, need our support. Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for know the kind support wey the Edo State Governor want from us. Enjoy the video.
My people, now good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the location. Now for the connect with me this evening, we thank Baba God for the wonderful things we in do they do, because not only one they put road for where road not they, and not only one they talk word when they reach. I pray for now this evening for the men and women with God up position to help una me problem go far from them. And anybody will talk say una water no go boil, they no go say I take put their own for fire. Anybody when they talk say una yam no go done. Them no go say I take cook their own. They no go say I take cook their own. My people now do well when it be say una don't take they support us, una don't take they encourage me, they share the broadcast to ensure say people they get the right information. Talk am as you be in the broadcast of truth. With the talk am as you they be. Truth be like bitter leaf of flagin. When it be say belle to pain you, you go take bitter leaf of flagin. Anyone where you take, you go must take her to make your belly do okay. My brother Victor in there around this evening, and by the grace of God, he will join me for studio tomorrow evening. Yes, my brother Henry, you say Apostle, time is running out fast. Me I don't understand that. Time is running out fast. Me I don't understand that one. So my people, Governor Obaseki of Edo State need our support now. The governor need our support now, just as we also need them. Why they talk this thing? When better thing one enter some environment, one begin to experience better thing, a lot of katakata go rise up to ensure say the better thing what they yearn for will not get them. So Edo people, I go beg all of una, our brothers where they been here, with any part of the state or any part of the country and outside the country, time don't reach for us to begin to see how we will fit to help the governor to succeed for the work where God send them, make he can't do for Edo. And for us to experience good things, it's not easy. And a lot of things they involve, and a lot of things good in follow up. That's what the Bible already talk and say respect those in authority. After God, na judge na government. After God, na government. And that's what the Bible also admonishes us. Say pray for those in authority. As we pray for those in authority, we go also they talk as they be. Any area where we know say they only perform well, we go bring them to their notice. Now, by the grace of God, Governor Obaseki is on a mission to liberate Edo, whether we like it or not. You know, during the election, they talk about the refinery, petrochemical refinery and the rest. By the grace of God, that project has been completed. Few days from now, they will start to refine crude oil for there. These are so many projects when they go on for grant. When the people say, I know they see immediately. You just better say person when they cook beans. As you they pick the beans, everybody go know how they pick the beans. And when the beans don't they fire, you know go see, you know go whether it's sweet or not, you know go know until the beans don't done. And if you not get patient enough, the beans feel not done, you go carry and come and you go chop them like that. You can say, this beans not done. It just be like rice. If you want chop Nigeria rice, the way you chop them, because of this stone, you will get patient to pick the stone come up from the rice. Because if you not separate the stone for the rice finish, after they chop the rice, you go to chop stone. Equal, I think we will hang for your teeth. Now so it be for Edo right now. Whether we like it or not, make we join hands together, make we take support the government of the day. And all of us, we put hands together to ensure, say the re-election of Governor Obaseki see the light of the day. And I want to let all of you know, by the grace of God, Obaseki no go fall our hand. Obaseki they try to position Edo in a map when it be say generation yet unborn, they go begin to make reference to wetin the governor they do. There a lot of laudable projects they go on right now when it be say they make noise about. By the grace of God, I passed through a K1 road today. They don't tie the road one lane, reach Erediawa Junction. Today, I was happy. I did very happy. They with me from all the way from Ring Road to Erediawa Junction. Now they don't tie one lane reach them, and on the second lane they tie they go to reach there. So which means if by this week before that Saturday they go finish that second lane, then they will go back to the first lane again. Then before you know, they don't carry and reach Asoro. So which means even if the government of the day not they showcase this thing 24/7, but the man is working for the Edo people, and we must all support the governor of the day to fit succeed. And I know say Governor Obaseki get good intention for us for Edo, whether we believe it or not. Governor Obaseki get good intention for us for Edo, but a lot of evil people we not like better thing. Them go continue to the fight to ensure say the good things when this man heart to do for us, go do them. Somebody coming today, he said, Apostle, he hears say governor they demolish houses for Edo. I was like, I say it's not true, man. It's not true. Apart from few areas where there is serious misunderstanding, like the one we go build hotel with the house and normal house, you go turn out to hotel. Even when government say no stop work, government say no, they say not build again. The man say go ahead, go build. Another one they see destroy. Why we like today spoil the good image of our state? So they panic when they put that woman. The woman was a panic. Hey, I just say, Governor, they destroy the house of Binati. Mama, no. Not correct. It's not correct. So I beg, whether we like it or not, time don't reach for us to really put hands together to take support Obaseki, make it succeed for the mission to take liberate Edo. Because some of the good things when we see for Edo right now, a lot of evil people know they don't want them and they don't expect them. So as they see them, the thing they vest them. The thing they pain them. They don't want hear, they don't want to say there is great things. They don't want hear say Edo turn to a modern city. They don't want to use ICM. So these people, they're ready to sell propaganda. They're ready to do anything to tarnish the image of the governor and for the Edo. Hear this. Any negative things where we talk about the governor, indirectly we talk against ourselves because we are one. Because we are one. So that is the reason why every one of us must join hands together to support the governor of the state to lift Edo to the next level. Making Edo great no be their job. In our collective work, and we must all join hands together to make Edo great. And making Edo great, a lot of things go happen. But we must tell ourselves, say, now the project, now the assignment, now waiting we put our hand and now waiting we want. Obaseki no go fit succeed if we not support him. And Obaseki is ready to put Edo State in a world map that everybody will be anxious to say, wow, we never knew anything good can come out of the state. Can anything good come out from Edo State? Yes. A lot of good things can come out from Edo State. If only Edo people sit down to say, now we are ready to take the bull by the horn, ensuring that the state move forward. This is the beauty of the state, and we must all support the governor Obaseki. Yes, I hear some people that talk about Achifat and not Achifat. My own stand be say the governor cannot do anything without our father. That's the truth. And the governor not going to do anything when you go tarnish the image of our father. No. Governor Obaseki will not do that. Let us get this clear. Governor Obaseki will never do anything that will tarnish the image of our father. And Governor Obaseki no go do anything when he go hurt our father. Oba Eware the second, the Ogidiga, our father. Governor Obaseki will never betray him. And Governor Obaseki will never backstab him. No. And a question when I ask some of my persons, say, if the will, the power, the passion, when some of us they exercise for this artifact, and we also exercise the same power to take fight the Fulani for the state, and those states would have been best for now. And those states would have been the best. That's my stand. If the way some of us then they carry on for head, and also we carry the insecurity for the state, we don't know here say they have been kidnapping in the hall. What do not do? Excuse me. Yeah, God bless you, sir. I'm on the live broadcast now, sir. Good evening, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. So, let's tell ourselves the truth. If the passion where some of us that they right, they fight, and we put that same passion to take speak against the insecurity in the state, I would have been very happy with you guys. I would be the happiest man. If the same passion within a fight now against our own, and we use that same passion to fight against the insecurity, the kidnapping of our people for a whole, the armed bandits where they destroy our farmland. We don't let our mama, we don't let our papa go back to farm. If we put the same passion, I tell you, Edo State will be great for every one of us. This is my own personal opinion. So the noise, enough of this noise. To the extent some of you are calling Obaseki fraud. Did Obaseki defraud you? Did Obaseki come to your house to steal from you? No. So we be wise enough. The truth is this: Obaseki is not a stupid man. Obaseki is a man that had the interest of the those at heart. Whether we like it or not, take it or you leave it. Take it or you leave it. Now the palace and the government they are in talk. Let us watch. Let us see how our father and the government move side by side to ensure there is sanity, the peace and progress in our state. Why will they fight ourselves? And other people will say, hey, we've heard talking before. So we must not give room for people to speak against our home. We must not allow it. We must not allow it. Without apology or fear or respect to anyone. The passion where some of us the right. Oh, stay away from this, stay away from this. Let us use that same passion to fight the enemy of the state, which is the terrorists, kidnapping our people in the hall. Some of you have never protested against the kidnapping of our people going on in the hall. Some of you have never protested against the killings of our people in various localities in Edo State. What a misplaced priority. What a misplaced priority. And I want to also let you know, the artifact cannot come to the state without the backing and the support of the state government and with the federal government. Una they are aware the federal government is involved? What is wrong with you guys? Are you aware that federal government is also involved in this matter? And you think the Britain they are stupid? No. No. Then we must ask ourselves, who be the person where they front the returning of our artifact? Go and check Obaseki behind to ensure it will return back. So why not let us exercise patience to see how we can move our state forward? This is my own personal opinion. So each time I see some of you people right, I think you guys should wake up and wise up. Wake up and wise up. Whatever the governor is doing, and I know it will never be against the palace, never. And the palace, our father is a good man. Our father is a good man. Our father is a good man. I honor our father whether we like it or not. I'm aware of that. So, since there is already an agreement between the governor and the palace, let the youth sit down and allow the palace and the government settle things. And let our own to support and see how the state will move forward. And let us see how we can move the state forward. So, it's so painful and disheartening and shameful to see some of our guys that are supposed to be fighting for the development of our state. If some of you writing rubbish now, you can also fight against the kidnapping of our people going on in the hall. What a shame and misplaced priority. So please, Governor Obaseki need our support now to carry Edo forward. And nobody should instigate the palace against the government. Nobody have the capacity. Nobody should do it. Because I know what you know they do now. The king, our father, did not send you guys. He not send you now. Why not sit down? Because there is already a talk between the government and the palace and the federal government. But also we also need to find out the federal government is involved. If the way we they react, if the way we they fight against the governor and the presidency decide to say no, nothing will come to Edo State, we cannot do anything. We will lay rants and nothing will happen. That's the truth. So let's be careful. Make we be very careful in handling national issue. Presidency can decide to say now, since there are no people that are now fighting themselves, all right, take this thing back to Abuja. What do we do? Who lose? Now we lose. Now we lose. So let us be patient. Let us work with the governor and with the traditional rulers to see how we can lift up the glory of Edo. Edo still remained one of the first kingdom in the history of Nigeria, and we must not destroy our kingdom by ourselves as a result of greed. We must never allow greed, we must never allow self-centeredness to destroy our kingdom. No, 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 no. Governor Obaseki need our support now, and we need each other. With the way we they go, we will end up sending this state back to square zero. That shouldn't happen. That should not happen. So please, I want everybody to sit down, listen, and say, what am I doing? Am I working for the progress of the state, or I am working for the destruction of the state? We must all work, everybody, make we work together for the upliftment of the state. Let us support the state government. Let us support our king on a positive light to ensure that Edo State become the great. Are you aware that Edo State is, people envy the state? Other people wish that Governor Obaseki is a governor. That is the truth of the matter. Other persons, they wish say Governor Obaseki is their governor. This is the gospel truth and nothing but the truth. Other persons, that's the truth. They just wish say, Obaseki can be their governor. Make we not kill our own for nothing. Please, my people, sit down and think. Sit down and think. After God is government, and nobody is above the government. That's the truth. That's the truth. After God, now government, and nobody can fight government. Yeah. So we should be careful with the way we handle things. We should be very careful. We shouldn't shoot ourselves with gun. So those of you calling Obaseki fraudster, please stop it. Stop it. Did Obaseki steal it from you? Stop it. The fact that you don't agree with the man's decision, it not give you the right to begin to call the man names. No, doesn't give you the right. Let us, every one of us, be patient to see how we can move the state forward. Let us see how we can move the state forward. My own opinion, all you guys relax. The federal government, the state government, and our king, they are talking. So we shouldn't go ahead to begin to cause disaffection and disharmony. And make we dey careful the way we send out wrong information. Why would they try to instigate the people against the government? Is totally wrong and it's not healthy and totally unacceptable by me. Do we want the state to become ungovernable? If there is crisis in the state, some of you writing rubbish now, you bury your head in shame, you go and hide. If there is crisis in the state, there is no way the state can develop on the altar of crisis. Did Obaseki tell you one carry chief for going house? No. So, why are we killing ourselves? Why are we killing ourselves? The time when they never said the British want to turn the archfire, where we not living, we have been living. So why do we want to kill ourselves now? Have we not been living for how many years that he stole our artifacts? Have we not been living? Does that stop the development of the state? Is that one responsible for the backwardness of our state? So think. If that did not stop the development of our state, why should I begin to cause crisis? It's not necessary. It's not necessary. Whatever Obaseki is doing today, beloved, is for the interest of the Edo people. It's for the interest of the Edo people. Anything we have Governor Obaseki they do today for Edo State, now for our good, now for our own interest. Make we be patient. Make we allow the state government and our palace to harmonize. The youth should stop instigating crisis in the state because it's not necessary. Because it's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. Whatever is doing for the interest of the state, and we must all allow our king, our father have the final say, not you, not those of you making noise. Our king, our father have the final say. And anything our father said today, we are good to go. Any word our father says, we are good to go. So let us be patient. Every one of us, shift your sword. Be patient. Let us see how it goes. Since the government and the palace and the federal government, they are already in talk. Why not let fold your hand and let them come out? Whatever decision reach is still for the interest of Edo people. It is for the interest of Edo people. I love my state. I love my people. But we must never be involved in anything that will cause anarchy in our state. We must never be involved in anything that will cause anarchy in our state. Okwo Emose. And you can never experience development in a state where there is crisis. You can never. Because there is crisis everywhere. Let us give peace a chance. Let us give peace a chance. My guys, let peace reign in the States so we can experience development. I passed the state secretariat yesterday, on Saturday. I see the massive renovation going on there. I said, wow. I said, wow. I was so happy. Obaseki is building capacity in different form. Governor Obaseki is building capacity on different angles, different areas. We must all understand this. He's building capacity. When I reached that state secretariat, when they walk on, I was like, wow. This man is trying to restore back the beauty and the glory of Edo State. Why must we destroy what we have labored for with our own hands? Why we want to destroy what we don't labor for? We must never destroy what we have labored for. Never. 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 So please, shift your sword. Calm down. All those of you threatening war, calm down. Muna calm down. Make una calm down. Make una calm down. Those of una when they fight, they right. Sit down, cool down. Okwe Mose. Make we relax. Better thing they come and do. Make we relax. Make we not go use our hands, scatter which we don't labor for. We are not sure that people they envy us. Other states people they envy us because waiting we get they don't get them. Even some people from other states they wish say Obaseki na their governor because the way they do it thing, you know they make noise. For once, with a see better thing they happen for Edo State. I beg now, make we not use our hands scatter what we don't labor for. Make we not allow the enemy to laugh at us now. Come on now, may we not allow them laugh us because of one thing. No, my people, area. Waga kuba kubena ando le doji. Wala wo we me use aba emi wa. Wala wo. Deni one man, Nick don't talk. But I go pray. Any group of persons when they talk say peace, no, they don't get peace. Or not wishing you. When they tell them, don't you. Any group of persons when they talk say there will never be peace in those states, just for their own selfish interest. They don't get peace because God go they take away their peace. Baba God will they go take away their bread. As they talk as soon as they be. Any group of persons when they talk, say peace no go dead this state for their own selfish interest, bro. They say no get peace. Iya me peace. Iya me peace. Iya reba me peace. Iya reba between me peace. When it tire they don't get. When it tire they don't get. Any group of person will say there can never be peace in those states, for your own selfish reason, that person no get peace. Who you not get peace? And anybody, whether you're there abroad though, you want to begin to instigate people for years to cause crisis for those things. Bro, sister, you not get peace. Or mo not wishing you picking when mama not sleep, picking when mama not sleep, want to sleep. You don't sleep. And he may attack why Mona take time. Until they talk anybody, any group of person, when he talk, say peace not go dead this state just for their own selfish interest. Then they say they will get peace. Can say also Agbeluwa. Can say also Agbeluwa. Why? Yogiomba, Yogiebo, no ne duama no siluama emeje, iwa, ose na tie we no jie. Ose ni na tie we no jie. So wala wa gbodo koto wa ga dole doji. Wagi ma dole doji. Emi wa ma go. When ma mwe activa the go na. Eri ma mwe security e kidnapping o kabe do ma go. Iya aya le you who are ne. E ti ya fe ni ma me. Gi ma yeti ni la wo a. Ni ma ya huli bi aso la wo a. De mi no mama like do. Jata we no here. This is my real face, so I want to use mask. Whoever want to plot evil against me, now coronavirus will kill you. Anybody with the verse, say they talk true, and you want to plot evil against me, now cancer I will kill you. If you go hire people, say go and look for Apostle Alfred is talking. Why is he talking? And when I go hire, say when I go look for me, when I go kill yourself, when I go use now bury our own children, when I go sleep, when I no go wake up. Anything that they plan, any bad thing that they plan against me, say because that they talk true. My brother, my sister, you go use one and bury your children. As you bury your children, finish, you go die. As you dey not evil for your heart, now cancer you go carry. You will begin to experience kidney failure. When he tell you, he swear. So, it I went on here. It I went on here. So my people, now don't say me. I dey talk am as e dey be, and I'll continue to talk am as e dey be. I dey talk am as e dey be, because this will not be the time we say we dey fight development for our state. No, I don't waka pass town. I dey waka follow town. The development we dey see, I say, wow, if this man, the way this man do this quality job, other government do quality job, we for not get, we for not experience what we experience today for Edo State. Make we tell ourselves the truth. When I go to Central Park, I say, when I thank God myself my brother for my platform now. When I see the work we Obaseki do for Central Park, not be my work. Now how much they enter there? Millions of naira they enter there just to make those fine, so to remove all the tuke when they entering road anywhere, so that they will feel go there, make the place fine for Edo people. Not be say they build that for a house, so you know they build that for children, though they build that for us. I give my time at a magbe. I got time at a magbe. Voilà. Wa shift sword wa ga dole doji ona ga na ya ti moment say we no ta wo me china wo to mala la wo no ya ku le bi so la jan wo a ni so mi eri ma bi jo me kana la gbo ya koka wa ma nge bi ga medo bu wa ewu wa ma we mi ro wa yi me ta we no je yi ta we no je so wa la wo yi mi ameyeje waga kobo kugbe wagario boyo Obaseki yeke na adole doji wagi ma ye mi kere ya emi ya fe ni my ideology ma you be man zaga the people they enjoy for state today una no dey enjoy am not be so now bro, not be so my sister, not be so. Make we join together with the state government, make it carry Edo forward. They carry it forward. And they say carry it forward. Now all of us then they carry it forward. And I dey happy say yes, I be a Edo man. But you know good say we dey destroy ourselves by ourselves. It's not good. Make we know they look back, no they look front. Make we know they look back, make we they look front. Get more they look front, more they look back, more they look front. Allow down where but they came out of way I quit him, allow down. I like you can hear me with Kaya Huno. Oh, piano, oh, who no, no, you tag ye queen a dollar go down, why you yore. Oh, piano, oh, you who know, no, you tag ye man a do progress, where Kaya who will be progressing. When it turn, I don't do. When it turn, I don't do. I'm in Akina. I mean, what I have life. Anybody, any man, any woman, when they fight the progress of the state, when he talk, say they don't go allow peace reign for this state. When he talk, say they don't go allow the government carry out the good intention for the state, and they fight the state for their own selfish reason. Nobody say they fight for everybody, for their own selfish reason. As I pour this water for ground, the water wey dey that body go dey dry. As I talk as soon as they be, the water wey dey that body go dey dry small. It go dey dry because as it dey dry, they come be like pashoko. They go dey chop better food though, but the food no go enter their body. Anything that they put for body, it no go dey stay. As I talk as soon as they be, when it tell the Bible said there shall be no peace for the wicked. Bible talk say I will trouble those that trouble you. Una when they trouble the peace of this state, una they hide under anything to take measure to not trouble this state. And this water they touch ground, now so the water we do na body go dey dry small. And if una refuse to repent, now go mortuary. As I talk as soon as it be. So my people, I beg, Governor Obaseki need all of us. Just as we need Governor Obaseki, now so he need us. And Governor Obaseki no go fit succeed if we not support him. He no go dey bad. Say we get good, better museum. When it be say everybody, people they trip in to see what we get for the state. No go dey bad. He no go dey bad. Make we not allow greed. Make we not allow what you want gain to take destroy us. No. And make we not allow anybody to instigate us against ourselves. And the only thing I want to this evening be saying Governor Obaseki mean well for us. So also our daddy, Epa, also have me well for us. Epa me well. The Ogidigan of Benin Kingdom, he mean well for us. He's a father indeed. He's a father indeed. He mean well for us. I'll continue to respect him. He mean well for us. Some of una when they talk rubbish, so Epa no send una. A king, our king no send una. Our king no send una. Make una stop him. Make una stop him. All the things when they fight, they write rubbish, so king no send una. Our king no send una. Epa ma giwa hun. Wa dwek no ruwa bo. Epa ma giwa. Wa dwek no ruwa bo. So why rewind? Why take your time? Why take your time? So Epa Erima Keke governor, the government in Agua. So we can finish talking here and talking there. And the talking here talking now. It can benefit my affair. And may get governor here waving neck and back and every my with no magba would I remarry my yano. So when it lies to get in a while, why take your time? Why take your time, oh? Why rewind? Why when you take warrior? Why my warrior la war? Why I could be also like that? Why my own cannot be reducing? Why my lad? Why take warrior? Why can't take warrior? Why my lad? I have Fulani, no Ruwa, no Magia, Ijima Yubo, why my lad? Why my own cannot be Bina Chiro disease? Why take warrior? Why my lad? Why I warrior lad? Why I me? Why rewind? Without whatever be out him, I do like big happy or who are. Big out who are when they tell it, don't you? He won't work back. Come on, we are in a Kovun, who's you. While worry, and the very young boy, you got Apostle of Guagbe, a bono hag well, who I wouldn't have a singer with a singer, a Koboya boy. You will allow a new more than a Walao was sent on Matata. The head of the witch, Eramway the witch, Jesus Christ is the head of all principalities. Jesus Christ, you're the head of principalities. You're a Ruwa, so why take your time? Why take your time, bro? Itawe no here, Iwatawe no here. So Walawo, please. The governor Obaseki need our support, and let us support him to ensure the state move forward. And me, I know Sir Obaseki no go do anything when he go destroy the good image of Edo. Are they aware of that one? Are they aware of that one? So my people are beg. I know some people go see they say, Apostle Alfred, even when you see their court, you see they talk about governor. Yes. The court case they come up on the 28th of July. Not concern me. It not concern me. Now God go fight the matter. So I not say because say they carry me go court now because of governor, because I campaign for election, I can't they stop to the talk. No, I will continue to the talk. Because now the assignment we God give me, now they do. Uno Sankie, it's not possible. Will I face challenges? Of course, I'm aware of that. But Osarone Yeke, go to my back, get it balo shaking. Oh, when Osamu Diana, you don't go for. So, all I will go. Please, calm down. And let us see how we can move the state forward. With the development we see with my eye, bro. I say, no. Obaseki me where? That's the truth. There are those of them when they call Obaseki first time, gonna stop him. Because the man not thief your money, gonna stop him. If peradventure now, anything can happen, they'll say, Obaseki they will shot. But they don't know say that you use your hand, type rubbish, now use your hand, they talk with you not to talk. I beg. Nobody go fit fight the government. Una know this thing before. Nobody go fit fight the government. Nobody. I don't talk my own. Who get here make you hear what I'm talking? Who get here make you hear waiting at the talk? No me home. We not damn him any time. Let those who have ear to hear, let them hear. Anybody will get ear to hear what they talk, hear, make you learn, make you get sense. Make you learn, make you get sense. Please. Remember, my mission is to see, that the those still become the dream of my own. It no go dey bad. Say we wake up in the morning with us everywhere. Things they fine. Make we relax. I beg una. Edo people, shift your sword. More join government. They move Edo forward. This one is my own passionate and humble appeal. I beg. More shift our sword. More move forward. There are more matters we need to talk about. More issues they ground we supposed to talk about. There are more problems they on ground we're supposed to fight against. We don't let this one. We don't let that one scatter us. So I beg. I want to make una know say governor Obaseki can no go do anything when he no go promote the interest of Edo people. La, he no go do am. He no go do am. Oba talk say may our king, may your reign, may your kingdom never crumble. You will rule well. God will grant you all the necessary wisdom to pilot the state forward. So please, my people, calm down. I want to make one know say Obaseki, he no go fit do anything when he no go benefit us. Now the truth be that. Now what you go benefit us? Now the governor go promote. So make we wise up. Make we wise up. I beg, wanna calm down. Kere, wagbori onkoto. Calm down. For my own end, I will continue to showcase the work when they do. And there are some other projects, some way they go for Oromia and the rest. I will try and carry my bicycle, go there. It's just that the time I don't less. I will kind of go for Kines and make the patch for me. Then I'll go for my Oromia. All the work where they go for that side, I go to showcase and make with the share because not be a let do government for the work. They work for Asian land. You understand? If the way me they do my own for this side, now so that people they do their own, people will see all the development will surround the state. I beg, a lot of the development they go on for the state. In crisis day, we know if we experience them. So my people, I beg, make una calm down, make we join together to take lift up the glory of Edo State. Una do well. My name is Chidime Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. I just want to talk as should be, as God dey my side. Una do well. I appreciate all of una. Una do well. I thank una. God bless all of una. We'll see tomorrow for studio by the grace of God. Una good night. God bless you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man who dey talk am be. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.